u-advocate Silwa namhlanje hayi bekefuna ukonda ngaye uformer IDEC head uAndrea Johnson. Uthi what is good for the goose must be good for the gander. Apho uthethela phansi ngoba njoba bebenenjongo zokubamba amapolisa wethu nje apha phansi ngoba ke General Madondo kubonakala ingathi abanazi police clearance, bebene access ye information inobethile efike ezandleni zabo, bongamelekanga into obiyafika iIDEC iphezulu kwabi ifuna ukubabamba. Ani kwazi kaloku the very same person naye kanye lona nguFadel Adams naye akanayo police clearance, naye ubena access yale information. Nimqukula nini yena nizibizela ukumbamba nini, nivula nini case foreign. Uthe sithi hayi icase ivuliwe ingathi kaFadel Adams but ivulwe ngamapolisa. Wathi yeke amapolisa ndibuza nina niyi IDEC andithi niyayazi into ba nina xa kunje kumele kwenziwe njani. Niyi IDEC nizimisela into ba nizambamba nini uFadel Adams. Fadel Adams lo endichilo kwi previous post yami into ba naye sekebalekela amapoliseni wayevula yakhe icase evulela lamadoda se IDEC into ba nje niyishare njani information. Nixa nigqibile nize nithathe nizoyishare apha kuMadlanga Commission, nisherelane pha ishare nezinye investigators kwa IDEC izizoshare phi apha kuMadlanga Commission. Niyenza njani into enjalo bafethu? Ngongalo mzuzu ndifuna ukuthi qhude manikini izindala zombili apha ke kuseni xa kufika kwaqosheliswa nje imicimbana embalwa anokwenza neza section 28 no section 27 no section 28 abababo. Then ke ngoku kwangelwa kulamcimbi wama-documents wayephiwe itask andithi last week umuntu lona uAndrea Johnson into ba kune-documents ekumele bazifumaneke, so zikhona ezithunyelwe. Ngoku xa beqolasela kweze zithunyelwe seziyacontradictana ke ngoku ziyi-3 ziyacontradictana futhi ngaphezulu nane testimony yakhe akasekeyichilo. So lento ubusixelela yona nezi documents ziyahlabana. Ithini into kuyakwanyanzeleka into ba make kuphozwe. Hayi bovakale naye sitsho yena ugqitha lonelo into ba hey naye uyaqala ukudibana nazo njoba ngokuzipha bengekago through zona. So since nyani ngathi ziyahlabana basacela nje imizuzwana into baba ke bahambe bayohleba. Abahambile bafethu bayohleba nje. Uyabona into ba right now bafethu izinyanya zethu esesinqula kuzo oThixo Yesu hey oShembe yonke lonto amadlozi bafethu ngoku kuvuke bona. Right now bathi nje bayilungisa South Africa, bamkhungezile futhi uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Ndikhumbula bafowethu interview after uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ethethe ngalanto ukuthi there's going to be blood and all that, we are facing war eyokhala ke apha into ba angawatsho njani uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi amagama anjalo. Hayi baba fethu lo mfazi waba namagama athi eza 6 zikaJuly 2025 zazi unnecessary. Uba ngabazi unnecessary zikuresigninisa njani with immediate effect? Ubone nje futhi into ba ufuna ukupakisha ngoku uthathe ukuthi wena ezika Khesaro ushiye kwa ioffice with immediate. Uma athi nje akho kwa hand over mfuna ukuyenza uthi nje with immediate effect didla phansi. Udla phansi njani usazi wena ngaphezulu into ba lanto engenasidingo? Hey bafowethu asiyazi biyawuzala Nkomoni. Hayi futhi babonde ngaye badla ngaye. Uyambona nje nini phofenye into ke ngoko sokumelwa kufocus kuyo ngumcimbi onokwenza no-National Commissioner into ba iIDEC lena ibinalo na igunya loba ifuna uprosecutor uNational Commissioner. Were they not overstepping na? Zizo ezinye zezinto ezezaphicothwa apha. Ngizawuzama ukufaka apho sokuthethwa ngento ba ziyahlabana ziyacontradictana izinto ezakhe. Ndiphinde ndifake nalapho evidence leader advocate Silo bekethi nje what is good for the goose must be good for the gander. So uba ngabanyani omadondo aba benze into wrong efuna into ba mabaprosecutwe akashiyeki uFadel Adams ngoba naye net kanjalo. Hey bafowethu asiyazi yawuzala Nkomoni, masilindeni bafowethu ezizinto ziunpackeka sizayasiye. By the way sokunamayimimi ingathi kwa IDEC ne baliqedlana nje abantu okubonakala ingathi bazosuspend. So sekhona nje amayimimi nje khona nje impukane elihlaza eseyithe nje hayi ikhona into engathi kunabantu abazosuspend. Ilist seyikhona eyabantu abazosuspendwa kwa IDEC. Bafowethu cela simbongeni uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Hey bafowethu phansi ukulibala apha iMadlanga Commission kune certain individual ezomvulela icriminal case ne umuntu lo kubonakala ingathi ushare iidentity ye witness engabizwa ngegama ongabizelmelekanga into ba ibizwa ngegama. Yena wayishare lo muntu lo igama lakhe so bazovula icase. That's how serious iMadlanga takes umsebenzi wakhe ngakhona. So uba iyawuthini into yakhona asiyazi bafethu. Uba yeyiphi lo witness yakhona andikho sure, but I do have my own suspicions into yoba ngahle yeyiphi le witness okubonakala ingathi igama lakhe lisheriwe. Uba niyakhumbula futhi nami ngiyakhumbula ngenye imini ngiyakhumbula witness M ndisithi hayi ndiyamazi witness M na uba ngibani, but indlela enhlonipha ngayo iMadlanga commissioner ngeke ndilibize nje igama. But ke le witness esithetha ngayo ayo witness M, yenye ye witness obungabelekanga into yoba igama layo libe liyadisclosewa lidisclosewe ngulo muntu lo. Hayi iMadlanga commission ithi asidlala.
Why I take it Mr. Adams is also being charged. What's good for the goose must be good for the gander. If General Madondo not having that clearance certificate poses a risk to CI, the subs and the country, I dare say so too is Mr. Adams. You agree that he doesn't have it, you're not aware of him having a top secret clearance certificate, and yet he is handling documents seemingly that come from crime intelligence and for which he doesn't have lawful access or authorized access. Once again, we are in that logical terrain where I say if we accept that General Madondo has committed a crime and poses the risk that is articulated at paragraph 3, so equally too must Mr. Adams. Logic would dictate for me unless I'm persuaded otherwise.
No, logic dictates correctly.
Yeah, correct. So we can expect IDEC to act at least on their very whistleblower on this part, on this point.
If I speak under correction.
Absolutely.
But he is arrested, I think, amongst others, for this contravention.
By IDEC?
Not by IDEC.
No, it's
Yes.
IDEC. Remember,
Yes.
it's IDEC who sought to arrest General Madondo.
Yes.
And this is part of the same investigation. It's facts flowing
Absolutely.
from the same investigation.
The
So
law-
arresting General Madondo, equally, I say,
Should
unless
be-
there's a reason why IDEC then decides not to take action against Mr. Adams. Would there be a legitimate explanation for that?
No.
Okay. We've had opportunity to consider the documents filed last night and this morning by Advocate Johnson. And on a consideration of those documents, it has become necessary for the Commission to update their exhibit files because we have what could potentially be documents contradicting the very documents she has filed. And I was moving on to that topic now. A request has been extended that Advocate Johnson have opportunity to confer with her legal team regarding these seemingly contradictory statements before we traverse those issues during testimony. I don't know if Mr. Bodlani would like to add anything.
I may just confirm, Commissioners, that it is so. I had a conversation with Ms. Siller last night about what was still outstanding from what had been requested of us. And then I made a request to those instructing me that every document that had been sought must be made available immediately. Even I hadn't had an opportunity to look at those documents. During the adjournment, Ms. Siller confirmed to me that she's going to deal with some of those documents. I conferred with the witness. The witness herself was shocked to learn that there are contradictory documents. We request at least about 15 or 20 minutes of a stand down so that we may consider those documents, confer with her, render advice if and when called upon to do so.
We'll come back when it's indicated to us then. Let us adjourn.
Thank you.